Morning, guys. My name is Parveen. I am your science teacher. Today I want to say about a lesson is about organization in a living organism. Living things. You have the books open, please. So, organization in living things. First of all, the introduction. All the living things. What are the living things means? Do you know what are the living things? In the previous classes, you have studied about the living things and non-living things. Do you know what is the living thing? Living thing is a that which have the life in it, and non-living thing those who are not having any life. The living thing is human beings, plants and animals, insects. Became small animals all comes under the living thing. And non-living thing is those who are not having any life. Suppose we take the example, mentioning textbook so that how why we have to say it in the living thing there is a growth is there. Okay, na? In that, how can we identify so that have the life, they have the feeling, they have the growth, they have the reproduce, and they need the food for the growth, respire, excrete, and respond to stimuli and show the movement. In addition, all these are the living things are made of a cell. What are the living things need means? First, they have the common characteristic for they will grow. Living things will grow. Living things will reproduce. Living things will be reproduced, and living things need food to grow. Living things need food for the growth. Respire, excrete, respond to stimuli, and shows the movement and show the movement. These are made up of, and these are all made up of cells. Okay, now first of all I want to say about it. All living things will grow. You know that if you sow a small seed, if you sow a small seed in the soil, what will happen after 1 or 2 days? It will be germinate. After that it will be germinate, and again it will show the growth in that. It will show the growth in that means it will grow into one leaf and one node, and then after fruits, flowers, then after fruits like that. In that they have it will be grows. And the reproduce. Reproduce means again from a human being is there. Again human being will give birth to the young ones. And not only the human beings, but the plants also. It will known as an reproduction also. Again we are showing. Suppose you take a rose plant is there. For the rose plant, we no need of any seed. Just you have to cut one of the stem, and again this stem you have to sow into the soil. Again there is a replantation. It will be there, and it will be the reproduces and needs the food for the growth. We know that if there is no food, we can't grow, we can't do any kind of work. For the plants also, for human beings and animals also, they need what type of food they are eating. They need that type of food only. Suppose the plants will eat water and sunlight, and human beings will eat the different type of food which is needed for us. Animals are the different animals will eat the different type of food depend upon their habitat. And need for the food for the growth and respire. Respire is an main. How we are respiring is through the nose, and it will reaches to the lungs, and through the lungs only we are respiring. Respiring means what? We are taking the oxygen, and we are inhaling the oxygen, and we are exhaling the carbon dioxide. Whatever may be the bad vessels are present in our body, so that will releases through the nose as a form of a carbon dioxide, and what is the oxygen present in that we are inhaling and that we are respiring. So we will respire through the nose and the lungs. And excrete. Excrete means whatever may be the waste product is present in our body. Suppose then water is there. After we are drinking the water, it reaches, so it will be impure. All the impurities which was present in our body, it will includes the, and it will cleanse all the impurities which was present and reaches near the kidney. Do you know where is the kidneys are present? And backside of the backbone. Yes, backside of it we have the kidneys. How many kidneys are there? How many kidneys do you know? We are having the two kidneys are there. So they are the two kidneys are in a bean shape. There are the two kidneys are present in the backside. So they are in a two bean shape, and they are urinary bladders. So like this our, and the lungs are, the kidneys are present like this for us. And these kidneys will be, what they will do, they will filter the waste impurities which was present in our body. So do you have the water filter section? So I know that. So how why we are using the water filter? In the water, if any impurities are present, for the impureness only, you are using the water filter. So in which the candles are present, that will the impurities, if any impurities are present, it will be attracted to the candle, and the fresh water will be releases to that we are using as a drinking water. So like that here also the kidneys, after drinking the water, it will be reaches to the kidneys, and it will be washes all the impurities, and it will be reaches near the kidneys, and here it will be it will be clear that the kidneys, the water will becomes an impure water will be remain there, and pure water again reaches to the body, which is needed for that. And this waste water is an excreted water, so that that forms as a toxic. So that is it contains the waste uric acid or a nitrogenous. So like that waste it will becomes as a form of a urine and as a sweat. So this is an excrete which is necessary. These are all the main points of this lesson, organization of living things. And respond to stimuli means what? Suppose what happened in living things only this will be present. Respond to stimuli means in the living things only present. Suppose if I pinch to anyone, we will feel. Okay now. If I pinch to bench, any feeling is there? No. So there is so only this response to stimuli is present in only the human beings. So only in the living things only. Suppose if your mother is giving a hot milk for you to drink, hot milk. So you are watching the TV and just taking the glass. So which is very hot. Immediately the hot will be present, and we will remove the hand. So why? Because that is the response to stimuli. What will happen? And suppose if you are going to the in your garden or the backyard of your house, you are going to, there are some thorns are there. So some thorns is there. So it will be struck to you. So what will immediately we will remove our leg. So and we will feel. So that feeling is known as a response to stimuli. And what we will do, if you are eating in a sweet, we will say that is sweet, because immediately we are responding to that. And if you are eating in a hot, we will feel. If you are bitter, so whatever may be. So these are all the response to stimuli and shows the movement. So what happened? Can we stay for a moment, 1 hour, as in the same place without moving? Without moving, can we stay? No, we can't stay. Why? Because we are doing something. If I say by challenge, if you stay like this, I will give 100 rupees per day. The the children will say, yes, I will, but sometimes mosquito bites. Sometimes. So we are doing this type of an work by because constantly we can't stay. So we must have the movement. So what are the animals are doing? They are moving from one place to another place in the search of a day. They are going the means of a day. They are in the search of a food and water. So not only the animals but also some birds are there. They are goes to the other countries in the search of food and water. If we here in the summer season, suppose if we take the example of a grain is there, so what we do just they eat the food which is present in the water. So what they will do if in the summer season the water is there, evaporates, the water is not there. So if water is not there, the food will be present, the fishes will be present for them. So if the summer season is here, they go to the other country where the winter season is there. So like that again their summer season starts, again it will come to them. So like that they will change this one. They will show the movement and there are is the transitivity shows some movement. Is the plant still be moved from one place to another? A human being moving, animals are moving, and birds are also moving, fishes also moving. Can the plants will be moved? There are some the plants will be moved. There are some other hydra like that. They will move in the water only. So with the help of an tentacles, they are having some hydra is one of the plant is there, so which helps with the help of a small tentacles are present, it will be moves in the water in the search of food and food only. Animals it was living in the water only, so there is no need of any water. But in the search of food, they will and the plants also move. So these are the important points of an organization of an living things. So what is the first of all, what is an grow? How can we say that is an grow? Now the plant is growing, a baby is growing, a chick is growing, a fish is growing. So daily we are seeing the changes. Is it? Daily we are seeing the changes. Suppose I will say a bench is growing. I will say if you keep the bench of 100 years also it will be like that only. Can the bird or a fish or a human being or a plant will be like that or no? It shows the number of changes. It shows a number of changes with it. So that is an grow. So we can say now the a rose plant is there. Suppose if you sow, if you keep a small rose plant, like 3 to 2 people, after 1 week or 1 month, you saw the changes will be present. Like in leaves are producing some branches like that. After a small bud and a flower will be added. So we can say the plant is growing. Okay. Now, a small baby bonds, maybe your sisters or any sister or a brother or a relative or anyone, any person like that. A small baby born when it will be a small like that. So then after 1 month, after 2 months, after 3 months, it will start traveling. In 6 months, it will start traveling, and also like that there is a growth, stage by stage there is a growth. So we can say it is a growth. The baby is growing. Okay, now last year you are in the 7th class, 6th class, now you are in the 7th class. So next year you will be in the 8th class and 9th class and 10th class, then after college. So like that, like that. So means what the you are also growing only. So like that we can see each and every only the living things will be grow and reproduces. Just now I have said that a small seed will be, if you sow the small seed in the soil, it will be again it will be, if you sow a mango seed, a mango tree will be produced. If you sow a rose plant only it will be reproduces. Okay, no? So like that, if you sow a mango tree, a guava plant won't produces. So like that, so the produces is there and a need food for the growth. So I just now I have said that we need a food for the growth. If you are not eating the proper food, a good food, a balanced diet, balanced food, so we will get any diseases. So not only for the human beings, but the plants also. The plants are eating the food and the sunlight. How the plants are eating the sunlight? So how they are, how we are, for you, each of mother is making a food and giving, but the plant who is giving the food with the sunlight is a source of any food for them, means in the form of any photosynthesis. Do you know what is the photosynthesis? what is the photosynthesis means? Photo means sunlight. Photo means sunlight. Synthesizes means preparing. Prepares. So through the sunlight, in the process of photosynthesis, the plants are preparing their food. Only morning, early morning, so 8 o'clock only, up to the 8 o'clock, the plants are prepared. Up to the 8 o'clock only, the plants are preparing to the sunlight. They are preparing their food. So how they are preparing is, so here the sunlight, suppose this is a sunlight channel, so it will be receives the, which is the upper layer and lower upper leaf, and in that a small spores or pores are present that are known as the stomata. That are known as the stomata. Through the stomata they are respiring, and within the help of an leaves they are storing the food. They are storing the food means what is sunlight. Sunlight is the food of a plant. They are storing in the leaf, and through the small pores which was present in the leaf that are known as the stomata. With the help of an stomata the plants are respiring. We know that human beings are respiring through the nose. Okay, and now the respire. So just now I said the plants are respiring through the stomata which is present in the. If you take one leaf of any kind of a leaf in your house, maybe any mango leaf is there, guava leaf is there, or any other leaf is there, but just you take some big leaf that you can hold in your hand. Okay, so don't take the tamarind leaf. So if you take the tamarind, you can't hold. So can you see the pores? So you take some big leaf, not an banyan. Okay. So you take a small which you can hold like a guava or a mango. So somewhat like that leaves you take, and just show to the sunlight and see. The sunlight focus must be falls on the leaf. Then you can find the small pores other that are the respiratory organs for the leaf that are known as the stomata. So with the help of an stomata only the plant is able to respire. Again, the plant is able to respire. And how we will respire? We will respire through the nose and the lung. These are the respiratory organs for us. And how are the fishes are respiring? Through the gills. How are the frogs are respiring? Through the book lungs. Okay, now fishes, frogs are having the lungs like that. So human organ, what are the organs are present in a human being? That organs are present in a frog. So that's why mostly in the labs, in a higher classes, so they will do the operation of a frog, and they will show the parts of any human being. So the lungs are present, the kidneys are present, the digestive system is present. So all organs are present like any human being. So that's why they will use an example of a frog for doing the operation. Okay. Now the excretory organ means in a human being there is kidneys are there. So there are the two kidneys are present in the backside of an abdomen. Abdomen's backside we are having two kidneys. They are the bean shape and reddish and brown in color, and they will excrete the waste water which was produced present in our body. So daily you are drinking the water. So that water will be, while you are drinking the water, it will be reaches through the mouth to the stomach, and again it will washes all the impurities. While drinking a glass of water, it will washes the impurities, and it will reaches near the kidneys. The waste water will be remains in the kidneys, and the fresh water which is related to our body, it will be goes to the remaining part of our body. That excretory organ will excrete the waste means what, that is an urine. So urine is there. So urine you know, and the sweat. So nowadays any sweat is not coming for us. Why? Because we are not going outside, and we are not doing any kind of any work. Or small children, we are not at least playing outside. Only we are interested by by using the cells and TV or like that. So in that only they are in computers, they are spending a lot of time. They don't know how the sweat will be produced also. So if you play the outdoor games like in the running games, like in coco, kabaddi, so like that, cycling. So exercise, if you do, the sweat will be appears and it will be comes out to the body. The waste which was present in our body, it will be comes out in the form of a sweat. So summer like in a summer season, it is in a hot temperature is due to the somewhat sweat will be comes out. But nowadays, so we don't know how the sweat is there, or we don't know why, because we are sitting in a cool place, in a ACs, in a fans, in a coolers, like that. So we don't know how the sweat will be. So that the waste have to come outside. What is the water we are taking? It will be cleans our impurities which are present in our body, and it will be reaches near the kidneys, and through the kidneys only it will be excrete the waste which was present. It will be comes out in the form of a sweat and urine. So we have to play outdoor games also instead of playing the cell mobiles or TV or a computer game, so like that. Suppose sometime you give some risk to your body and play the outdoor games like in a cycling or very good to the exercise, that the waste should come outside. You have to do the walking. So nowadays any children, if you want to buy some chocolate or a cake, or they are going with a bicycle. Why? Because they don't want to do the risk to your body. So if you do the walking also, the waste which was present in our body, it comes out in the form of a sweat. And so that is an excrete. What are the excretory organs means? In our body, what are the kidneys are the excretory organs. How many kidneys are present? Two kidneys are present. They are bean in shape, and they remove the waste impurities which were present in our body through the water, and near the kidneys it will be filtered, and it will send the pure water to the body which is needed, and the waste water comes out in the form of a sweat and urine. And coming to the response to those two, just now I have said the example. If you stuck one pin to our hand, so what will you do immediately? If you are suffering fever, your mother took to the hospital, they are giving it, they are injecting for us. So what will you do? Just we are feeling pain instead of sitting also. Why? Because it will be painful. So that is a response to the stimuli. So what we will do if any if any mosquito bites, immediately we are scratching. Why? Because what is the response is there? What is happening? We are immediately giving the response to that. Okay, immediately we are giving to the response to that. So this is known as a response to stimuli. Now the shoulder movement. Just now I said that human beings, plants and animals are shows the movement. They move from one place to another in the search of food and water. Okay, now. So did you understood this topic? I think you may understood. If not, please you may call for me. Okay, now I will clear the doubts, whatever you have the doubts. So these are the very simple topics are there, and